Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing very well. So today we're gonna talk about Android app development. So before we get into the video, don't forget to increase your family members of YouTube by subscribing to our channel, and yes, press the bell icon, so stay tuned. Let's get into the video. So we're gonna discuss about Android app development. As we all know that all around the world applications are being used too much, and it got its fame. As you know that everyone is familiar with this famous logo of Android. So this is a process of creating applications like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. And all of these applications we run on Android operating system. So all of this process is done by developers, and they do and make it happen by using some coding languages like Kotlin, Java, and C++ that our machine and mobile phones understand. So all of this is done on a software called Android Studio that we're gonna be installing and working on it and create our Hello World application, which is very basic. So don't forget to install this software before a new video arrives. So go to android.developer.com and install it. So as a good developer, you should know the Android stack. Well, Android stack is the layers of Android operating system that us developers can interact with and make our mobile phone features and mobile application features much more interactive and good. So apps, Java API framework, libraries, and runtime, Android runtime, hardware abstraction layer, and Linux kernel. All of these are linked by each other somehow. So we can interact with them directly or indirectly. They are on another, like they are building blocks of an Android operating system and our applications as well. So there are 5 individual software elements like bricks, one on another makes a building or a software or a shape. So we can interact with our sensors, proximity sensors, and more. So when our application is done, we will also teach you that how can you get more develop or publishing your app on Play Store. So let's know layers. First layer of Android operating system. Apps or programs are run on Android operating system and are composed of one or more interactive screens like we see on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Java API framework is the second layer of Android operating system. So the Java API framework is a set of software libraries and utilities developers leverage to build out their applications. Runtime Android is the third layer of Android operating system. So the Android runtime works as an isolated container where each app lives and carries out its processes. It's like home. Hardware abstraction, fourth layer of Android operating system, and really helpful. So it has number of library modules and manages access to the hardware of an Android device like camera and audio, so we can access that. So Linux kernel is the last and fifth layer of Android operating system. So Linux kernel is the lowest layer of the stack and manages all the core processing of the operating system. So if you got the concept, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the bell icon, comment down section below.